my brother. His name is Ta.
What's up?
Welcome back to the channel right now. We're here together. If you just got some simple things right now, we're together right now in the Indian Ocean. It's hot. It's massive. It's like a John.
What's up, guys? What's up?
It's like John Cena, bro. Como já só right now? Tu estás a sentir o que é o bro? Estás a sentir o que tu estás a sentir aqui no Indian Ocean? Aqui. O que estás a sentir?
Agora estou feliz porque está a ver. Agora estou a relaxar.
Está a relaxar aqui. Está a relaxar aqui. Mas guys, eu estou a dizer, bro, I'm telling you that you gotta subscribe before we do anything right now to our channel right now, and then click like button. You don't know the beauty of Indian Ocean. It's always someone I will suggest you sometime you feel like it. Heaven on earth, heaven on earth, heaven on earth, heaven. It's our time. We're just let's enjoy.
It's our time. Tuma.
I'm telling you, bro.
Don't paga nada.
I'm telling you this. I just want you to relax and enjoy.
Yeah.
That's why I'm watching this video. Nothing much.
Life is short, man.
Life is short. It's not short. You gotta make it long. But life is so beautiful. Life is so beautiful. As you can see. You can enjoy the view of you can see the water is just coming up. We're going. No, we're
I'm
going.
here, man.
We're going.
I'm here, man.
Don't go anywhere. It's so time.
We are here to sleep late, you know. We are here to enjoy, you know, because life is short. Yeah. If you
Só temos nossos amigos
money,
que costumam ficar em casa estressados, não tem muitas coisas a fazer. Pode sair da sua casa, vai no Ocean Arm.
não faz nada.
Eu acho que você consegue ver. End up getting inside the water, even if the water which way you see in the video, even if I down the water. Enjoying this one. Like the chest to see. It's a view, it's a best view. And then I want to do something. I was telling you why we're doing this. Why we were showing this kind of video. It was the best thing we took it. Because we thought there was no other thing we just took it. Then we said, let's do this for this video. And then suggest you guys, you can see the water. What you can see. I don't know whether I'm going to see it, but it's extremely dangerous somehow. We're very scared of the water. Are you afraid of the water?
Not afraid. I'm not afraid.
You don't want to the water? But be careful.
Can I jump?
No, don't jump.
Can I jump?
Go through,
Let me do this, man.
Go through, man. Go through, man. Don't water somehow. Get fish. One fish. Go, one fish. No, don't jump. Just step through, man. One fish. You need some better place. Let's go there. Let's go on the other side. Right there seems to be dangerous. I don't want to lose a lot because of this. We're enjoying. Imagine this. We just need to go and enjoy. Okay, fine. What the water there? What the water? Feel.
Wait a moment.
yes. He's about to do it. He's about to do it. He's about to feed the water. He's about to do it. I don't know what is he doing. He's gonna feed the side water in his face. I did it. They're not done. They're not done. Go, go try. You got the fish. Be careful about. Go in the fish. Take the one, that's all. That's what you need to do. Take the one, that's all. Take the one. I don't see anything. Guys. Let's try. It's all you. That's right. It's not understand.
Yeah.
As you can see, his face.
I feel good.
I feel good.
I feel good.
Feel good.
Wait.
I think he doesn't cost anything for him. But go and try. Go and try. See him.
But I have a friend.
See him.
Another thing. Yeah, do it. Do it.
Can I swim it?
Do it.
Can you swim it? Yes. Can I swim it?
Yeah, do it.
Can I swim it?
Yes, of course.
Ah!
Do it. You have a friend, man.
Can I try again?
Yeah, try.